you're sitting down on your backside, mate, on the train, it feels like a knackered when I get in. I do a long day in Britain.